Each lot is scanned and labeled to ensure full traceability through assembly and test. Non-conforming items are quarantined, while approved materials are released to production.
Released materials are kitted and delivered line-side to support uninterrupted SMT setup.
Okay, the line clearance is good.
And the ESD check passed. We are clear for production.
SPI verifies solder paste volume to prevent downstream defects.
Component feeders are loaded and scanned to ensure correct placement programs.
Formal line release authorizes continuous SMT production.
Solder paste is precisely applied to define all electrical joints. Pre-reflow inspection detects placement issues early to reduce rework. Controlled reflow heat permanently bonds components to the PCB.
Automated optical inspection verifies solder quality and component orientation.
Approved boards are buffered to maintain smooth downstream flow. Depaneling. Depaneling separates individual boards safely and consistently.
Edge inspection prevents downstream fit issues during assembly.
Passing results are logged to maintain full traceability.
Repaired boards are retested to confirm full electrical compliance.
Verified boards are staged for integration into TV assemblies.
Assembly tools and fixtures are calibrated to protect product fit and reliability. Controlled torque prevents damage while ensuring mechanical stability. Programmed torque sequences ensure uniform enclosure strength. Initial power on confirms basic functionality and safe startup. Automated vision ensures display quality meets specification. Interface testing ensures reliable connection to external devices. Safety testing verifies insulation and grounding compliance. Units failing any test are isolated for controlled diagnosis. Repaired units are fully retested to confirm compliance.
This accessory goes here. Confirmed?
Yes, confirm. Pack it.
Foam protectors secure the TV against shock during transport. All customer accessories are verified and packed together.
Sealing and weight checks confirm pack integrity. External labels ensure correct identification through distribution. Dimension data supports accurate palletizing and freight planning.
Weight verification detects missing items before shipment.
Automated palletizing ensures stable and repeatable load patterns.
Wrapped pallets are stabilized to prevent movement during transport. Load stabilization completes the physical pallet build process.
Finished pallets are transferred to controlled warehouse storage.
Racked storage preserves product condition while awaiting shipment.
Packaging waste is segregated and recycled responsibly.
Electronic scrap is collected for certified recycling and disposal.
Non-recyclable waste is stored securely for licensed disposal.
This shipment for Bay 5 is ready to go.
Okay, I'll take it over now.
Pallets are loaded safely to protect products in transit. Security seals protect shipments and ensure traceability.
Completed products depart the factory for global distribution.
Look at that output count. The green graphs look solid.
Yes, we're ahead of schedule for the quarter.
Reference. The audio performance spikes significantly right before the failure point here.
Yes, and the display luminance drops sharply on this back.
Controlled spares reduce downtime and maintain line availability.
FIFO picking preserves inventory rotation and product freshness.
Secured loading prevents movement during long-distance transport.
Final checks ensure pallets are secured for safe transport. Seal verification protects shipment integrity and traceability. Loaded trucks depart on schedule to meet delivery commitments. Audit inspections confirm packaging and product condition before release.
Audited units are released back into the outbound flow.
Visible KPIs help teams track and improve production performance.
An integrated process ensures consistent production of premium TVs.
Everything on the checklist is green, except for the feeder calibration, which is still pending.
Got it. I'll follow up with the team lead on that immediately.
Tool calibration. Regular calibration ensures fastening accuracy and product reliability.
Controlled storage protects sensitive display panels before use.
Supplier feedback prevents recurrence of incoming quality issues.
Safety performance is monitored alongside quality and output.
Soft plastics from packing are segregated for recycling.
Metal scrap is separated to enable efficient material recovery.
Sealed waste awaits transfer to licensed disposal partners.
Alignment checks ensure pallet stability for transport. Approved pallets are returned to storage until dispatch.
Organized storage supports reliable outbound operations. Final order release authorizes pallets for outbound loading. Scanning confirms the correct pallet is selected for shipment.
Sequenced staging ensures efficient and error-free loading.
Sealed trailers indicate shipments are ready for departure.
The completed process reflects controlled, end-to-end TV manufacturing.
Archived records preserve traceability and compliance.
Formal sign-off closes the manufacturing batch.
Standby condition preserves equipment between production runs.
The full process delivers consistent, high-quality TVs at scale.